Martin!
What's up, mate?
The cap just busted.
What's wrong with the cap?
Oh no, silly. The hail's coming.
Oh my God, I need to get the hail protector
Yes.
on the car. Quick,
Let's go.
Hey, mate, that's pretty good.
Oh, it does. Wait.
What?
No, look, we forgot something.
What? What's wrong? It's perfect.
No, we gotta blow it up.
Oh yeah! Hang on a minute. Here we go. Alright guys, there you go. You can see how easy it is. All you have to do is get your Pal Ponder weather from Roy.
There are 6 different sizes to choose from, ranging from $199 to $269, so click on the link below and get yours today.